Employees only, unless you really need something. I've worked in retail for 6 years, and this is the first time anything like this has happened to me. I work in a small home decor store. A few days ago, I was in the office getting some paperwork ready for a new hire, when I hear, "Can you help me?" from behind me in the stockroom. That doesn't sound like one of my employees. So I whip around and am confronted with an older woman, standing in the stockroom and staring around at the shelves like she's looking for something. I will be me, older woman will be CR4 can't read. Me, can I help you? CR, the little girl out front said you had some starfish ornaments back here. I can't find them, I need help. Can't find anything back here. Me, she shouldn't really have told you that because we definitely don't have those. Follow me and I'll show you what she might have meant. I've already realized that my poor employee by the door probably said back there and meant the back of the store, and CR thought that the employees only sign on the door to the stockroom was just a suggestion, since clearly back there means I give you permission to have free reign of the stockroom. I take CR out of the stockroom and to a section of heavy wall decorations. Me, these are what she meant, they are wall decorations but since they have a string, you could use them as ornaments if your tree is sturdy enough. But since they aren't ornaments, they aren't part of the sale. CR scoffs but my house is all nautical themed. You should have a lot of nautical stuff. Me, unfortunately, our seaside collection was only for our seaside stores, and since we are landlocked here, you had to buy them online. CR, but my house is all nautical themed. Me, haha yeah, that's pretty popular these days, I was disappointed that we didn't get anything in like that this year. CR, but my house dash. I stare at her for a good 10 seconds for a hint on what she wants me to do, realize she wants me to magic some sand and sea from thin air, then proceed to politely inform her that a neighboring store might have some more decorations to fulfill her running from the cold to Florida because I'm old Christmas fantasies. In conclusion, why are you still looking for Christmas decorations halfway through December? Shouldn't that be done already? Why is employees only now a suggestion rather than a rule? Why do all old people love the beach so much? I'm left with more questions than the poor old woman herself.